Hey guys, I'm here at beautiful Laguna Beach in California in Coral Cove. This is just amazing. Check it out. Look at the scenery. So I had to film my next YouTube video here instead of at home in the office. I just got out of a 4-hour content writing workshop yesterday for a company in the healthcare space, and we had some great conversations. The conversations mostly centered on how can we focus on our consumer? How can we make it more them instead of us? So I wanted to talk about that in today's YouTube video. Keep watching. So my conversations in the content writing workshop for this healthcare company focused around creating content that is consumer focused. And what was really awesome were all the conversations about this in this room where we were talking content writing, and the creativity of our content and the focus of our content is critical in a world where 3.8 billion emails are going out per day. So our world of content has peaked. So much content, and there's not enough creativity, there's not enough strategy, there's not enough research being done. So that's what we were talking about in our workshop. It's how to get more strategic with our content for one. That's how we can stand out and be more consumer focused, is by using data-backed research methods. Are we actually writing on topics people want to care about? Are we using tools like BuzzSumo and SEMrush to find these topics instead of just guessing? So these were the things we talked about that were really important to them. Some of that was new information. So for BuzzSumo, you can research anything that's trending in your industry. And whenever we were researching this live together, we found a Reddit topic in the healthcare industry that was trending. So you can find all kinds of topics in any industry that are trending on all kinds of platforms, from Quora to Reddit to Amazon reviews. So for one, look where people are talking. That could be a forum, that could be a review on a book in your industry. Get real data on the questions people have. For another, my last point here, be creative. We have to throw out the rules. There is no more playbook to good content. I mean, look at this world around us. It's like constantly changing. People are changing. Our world is changing. Seasons change. The color of life changes. There's no playbook anymore. And we kind of broke through that in the workshop yesterday, which was absolutely amazing to me. As someone that does teach principle and practical methods, now I'm going to be focused more on teaching how to get outside the box more. And that starts when we think about them instead of us, what our audience wants, and then just get outside our box. Go to a place like California and get creative, inspire new ideas. So think about how you can get different with your content, even if it's as crazy as a live cam of baby owls in your email newsletter. That was the conversation we had in the workshop yesterday. So creativity is going to win, and a consumer focus is going to win as well. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, husband, for holding my camera. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. And that's how we're going to end our video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next YouTube video.